What is the Celtic Ogham script? Have you ever stumbled upon ancient stones while wandering through the beautiful landscapes of Ireland? You might have noticed some with strange markings. These markings belong to the Celtic Ogham script. This fascinating writing system was used mainly between the 4th and 9th centuries to inscribe the early Irish language on stone monuments. The Ogham script is often referred to as the Celtic tree alphabet. This name comes from its connections to various trees and plants, although this idea is more symbolic than historical. The script consists of 20 letters, grouped into four sets of 5. Each letter is represented by a different number of strokes or notches. These notches were typically carved along the edges of stones, often in a vertical or right-to-left direction. Later on, 5 additional letters were added to the script, known as forfetta. The origins of Ogham are still a topic of discussion among scholars. Some believe it may have ties to the runic or Etruscan alphabets, while others think it could be a transformation of the Latin alphabet. When you look at Ogham inscriptions, you will usually find short messages. These often include names and patronymics in the genitive case. This provides important linguistic evidence of the early Irish language. As you travel through Ireland, particularly in the southern regions like Munster, you can find many Ogham stones. Places like Cork and Kerry are rich in these historical monuments. These stones not only hold significant historical value but also contribute to the cultural heritage of Ireland. Observing these ancient inscriptions can give you a deeper appreciation for Irish traditions and Celtic mythology. They offer a unique glimpse into the past and reflected the social customs of the time. So, the next time you are exploring Ireland, keep an eye out for these remarkable stones. You might just uncover a piece of history that connects you to the rich traditions of the Irish people.